Welcome back to Financial Freedom Journey. Today, we're diving into the world of personal finance, making it easy to understand and accessible for everyone. In this video, you'll learn the basics of managing your money, from budgeting and saving to understanding credit and investments. We'll break down complex concepts into simple, digestible pieces so you can feel confident in your financial decisions. Financial literacy is crucial in today's fast-paced world. It empowers you to make informed choices that can significantly impact your life, whether it's buying a home, planning for retirement, or simply managing day-to-day expenses. By mastering your finances, you're not just crunching numbers. You're setting yourself up for a more secure and fulfilling future. So, stick around as we explore practical tips and strategies that will help you take control of your financial journey. Remember, understanding your finances is the first step toward achieving your goals and making smarter decisions in every aspect of your life. Let's get started. Understanding income. Income is the money you earn or receive, and it plays a vital role in your financial health. There are several types of income to be aware of. Earned income is what you make from your job, including salaries and wages. Passive income, on the other hand, comes from investments or ventures that require little to no effort to maintain, such as rental properties or royalties. Lastly, portfolio income is generated from investments like stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. Tracking your income is essential for effective budgeting. By knowing exactly how much money is coming in, you can allocate funds wisely, ensuring you cover your expenses and save for future goals. Common sources of income include your regular paycheck, freelance work, or side hustles that allow you to earn extra cash. Additionally, income from investments, such as dividends or interest, can significantly boost your financial situation. Understanding these different income types will help you make informed decisions and create a solid financial plan. Budgeting basics. Creating a budget is one of the most effective ways to manage your finances and achieve your financial goals. The primary purpose of a budget is to give you a clear picture of your income and expenses, helping you make informed decisions about where your money goes. By tracking your spending, you can identify areas where you might be overspending and adjust accordingly. To create a simple budget, start by listing all your sources of income. Next, outline your monthly expenses, categorizing them into fixed costs like rent or mortgage and variable costs, such as groceries and entertainment. Subtract your total expenses from your total income to see how much you have left over for savings or discretionary spending. To make budgeting even easier, consider using budgeting tools or apps. These resources can help you track your spending in real time, set financial goals, and stay accountable. With a solid budget in place, you'll be well on your way to financial stability and success. Saving money is essential for achieving financial stability and preparing for unexpected expenses. Having an emergency fund can provide peace of mind, ensuring that you're covered in case of job loss, medical emergencies, or urgent repairs. Additionally, saving for future goals, such as buying a home or retirement, is crucial for long-term financial health. One effective method for allocating your savings is the 50-30-20 rule. This guideline suggests that you allocate 50% of your income to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. By following this structure, you can ensure that you're prioritizing your financial future while still enjoying life today. To make saving easier, consider setting up automatic savings transfers. By scheduling regular transfers from your checking account to your savings account, you can build wealth effortlessly without even thinking about it. This pay-yourself-first approach helps you stay disciplined and ensures that you consistently contribute to your savings goals. Start implementing these strategies today for a more secure financial future. Debt is a common part of financial life, but not all debt is created equal. Understanding the difference between good debt and bad debt is crucial for making informed financial decisions. Good debt typically refers to borrowing that can lead to future financial benefits, such as student loans or a mortgage. These types of debt can help you invest in your education or build equity in a home. On the other hand, bad debt usually involves high-interest loans, like credit card debt, which can lead to financial strain without providing any long-term value. Interest rates play a significant role in debt repayment. Higher interest rates can make it more challenging to pay off debt, as more of your payment goes toward interest rather than the principal. This can prolong the repayment period and increase the total amount you owe. To take control of your financial situation, it's essential to create a plan for managing and reducing debt. Start by listing all your debts, prioritizing them based on interest rates, and developing a strategy to pay them off systematically. Taking these steps can lead to greater financial freedom and peace of mind. Investing is a powerful way to grow your wealth over time, and understanding its importance is key to achieving your financial goals. While saving involves setting aside money for future use, investing takes it a step further by putting your money to work in various financial vehicles. This can lead to greater returns than traditional savings accounts, especially over the long term. There are several investment options to consider, each with its own risk and reward profile. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer high returns, but they also come with higher volatility. Bonds, on the other hand, are loans to governments or corporations and typically provide more stable, lower returns. Mutual funds pool money from multiple investors to buy a diversified portfolio of stocks and bonds, making them a great option for those looking for a balanced approach. Starting to invest early can significantly enhance your potential for long-term growth. The earlier you begin, the more time your money has to compound, leading to greater financial security in the future. So take that first step and start investing today. In this video, we've covered essential aspects of personal finance that are crucial for achieving financial stability and success. Understanding your income, creating a budget, implementing effective saving strategies, managing debt wisely, and exploring investment options are all key components of a solid financial foundation. Each of these elements plays a vital role in helping you make informed decisions and reach your financial goals. Now that you have the knowledge, it's time to take actionable steps toward improving your finances. Start by assessing your income and expenses, setting up a budget, and exploring ways to save and invest. Remember, the sooner you begin, the more secure your financial future will be. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with friends and family who could benefit from these financial tips. Together, we can build a community focused on financial literacy and empowerment. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video.